Hi, this is Justin with LearnDash's, and today we're going to dive into LearnDash quiz creation. Not only using LearnDash core functionality, but also a few LearnDash's plugins that'll take your quizzes to the next level. Let's get started. First, log into your WordPress dashboard and look for the LearnDash LMS menu on the left side. Click on it, then select Quizzes from the drop-down. Now at the top of the Quizzes page, you'll spot an Add New button. Click that, and you're ready to start crafting your quiz. Click the Settings tab in your LearnDash quiz editor to access the Quiz Access settings, which control student access to your quiz. At the top, you'll find the associated course and associated lesson fields, crucial drop-down menus that link your quiz to specific courses, lessons, or topics. This association ensures students encounter quizzes at the right point in their learning journey. The quiz release schedule offers 3 powerful options for quiz availability: immediately, making the quiz accessible as soon as a student enrolls; enrollment-based, allowing you to delay quiz access for a set number of days after enrollment; and specific date, perfect for synchronized learning or timed assessments. The external quiz toggle indicates the quiz takes place in a virtual setting like Zoom or in person, rather than within LearnDash itself. Quiz prerequisites let you select other quizzes that must be completed first, ensuring students have mastered prerequisite knowledge before advancing. The Allowed Users option restricts quiz access to registered users only, useful for non-course page quizzes, or when you want to ensure only authenticated users can participate. Moving to the progression and restriction settings, these options define how students interact with your quiz. Start by setting your passing score percentage. This determines what students need to achieve to pass the quiz. The quiz certificate drop-down lets you associate a certificate with successful quiz completion, providing recognition for student achievements. Enable quiz saving is a powerful feature that allows students to save their progress and return later, perfect for longer assessments. The Restrict Quiz Retakes toggle lets you control how many attempts students get. Question completion can be set to require all questions to be answered, and the time limit toggle adds an element of pressure to the assessment. The Display and Content Options section controls how your quiz appears to students. Quiz Materials lets you provide additional resources for the quiz. The Auto Start option begins the quiz immediately without requiring a start button. Question Display gives you choices about showing questions one at a time or all at once, plus when to display results. The Question Overview table provides students with a summary of all questions, while Custom Question Ordering lets you manually set question order. The Quiz Title toggle controls how your quiz title appears, especially useful when using shortcodes. The Results Page Display section determines what students see after completing your quiz. Result messages let you craft custom feedback based on performance levels. The Custom Results display offers options like showing average score, category score breakdowns, overall score, number of correct answers, and time spent. Custom Answer. Feedback controls what students see when reviewing their answers, including correct, incorrect messages, answer marks, and the ability to review questions. These features transform the results page into a valuable learning tool. The Administrative section gives you powerful back-end control. Custom fields gather additional data from users before or after the quiz. The Leaderboard feature adds competitive elements, with options for who can appear and how entries are displayed. Quiz Statistics enable front-end profile display and IP locking for security. Email notifications keep both admins and users informed about quiz completions. Quiz templates let you save settings for future use, while advanced settings provide options like browser cookie answer protection for enhanced security.
Now that we've covered the core LearnDash quiz settings, let's explore some powerful add-ons that can take your quizzes to the next level. We'll look at advanced quizzes for enhanced question types and features, multi-category for better question organization, and pay for quiz to monetize your assessments. These WooNinja add-ons seamlessly integrate with LearnDash to expand what's possible with your quizzes. Let's dive in and see how these tools can transform your quiz building experience.
Let's explore the powerful features of the Advanced Quizzes add-on. In your WordPress dashboard, navigate to LearnDash, Advanced Quiz, General Settings. With negative marking enabled, you can deduct points when students answer incorrectly. This encourages careful consideration of answers and creates more challenging assessments. Positive marking lets you award extra points for correct answers, perfect for bonus questions or emphasizing important concepts. The time limit feature gives you granular control. Set different time limits for individual questions, or apply a global time limit to the entire quiz. This is great for creating exam-like conditions or ensuring students maintain focus. One of the most useful features is Save and Resume. Students can pause their progress and return exactly where they left off. Now, let's look at the 5 powerful new question types this add-on introduces. Jumbled sentence questions let students complete sentences by selecting words from drop-down menus. You can include multiple correct options and even randomize the choices to keep things challenging. Swipe questions bring an engaging interface where students swipe right for correct answers and left for incorrect ones. You can use both text and images, making it perfect for quick knowledge checks. With drag and fill questions, students complete sentences by dragging the correct option into blank spaces. This is excellent for vocabulary practice and sentence structure learning. Audio questions allow students to record and submit voice responses directly within the quiz. They can even download their recordings, making it ideal for language learning and speaking assessments. The calculation formula question type takes mathematical assessment to a new level. You can create everything from simple arithmetic to complex trigonometry problems. You can even set random variables within ranges to generate unique problems for each student. For math teachers, you'll love the decimal point control feature, allowing you to specify exactly how many decimal places answers should be rounded to. Create addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division questions with dynamic variables, or build complex numerical expressions that combine multiple operations. Some other powerful features include quiz availability scheduling, where you can set specific start and end dates for your quizzes. The Exclude Users feature lets you restrict certain users from accessing specific quizzes. Need to troubleshoot? Enable debug logs to get detailed information about quiz interactions and system performance. And for those swipe questions, you can add convenient control buttons for students who prefer clicking to swiping. All these features integrate seamlessly with your existing LearnDash setup, giving you the tools to create more engaging, challenging, and effective assessments for your students. The LearnDash Multi-Question Categories add-on brings powerful categorization features to your course platform. After installation, you'll find a new multi-category hierarchy menu under LearnDash. You can create and manage multiple categories for your questions, and yes, a single question can belong to multiple categories. Think of topics like beginner level, chapter 1, and review questions, all applying to the same question. Creating categories is simple. Either use the multi-question categories option in the questions menu, or use the convenient meta box when editing individual questions. You can even create hierarchical categories with parent-child relationships, perfect for organizing questions by subjects, difficulty levels, or topics. But here's where it gets really interesting. When creating quizzes, you have 2 powerful options for using these categories. First, you can create quizzes using individual categories. Simply specify how many questions you want from each category, and the system will randomly select them for you. For example, you might want 5 questions from basic concepts and 3 from advanced topics. Or use the cumulative categories feature to create truly dynamic quizzes. This lets you set a total number of questions to pull randomly across all selected categories. Perfect for creating varied assessment experiences every time. Each question can be previewed with its hints and solutions before being added to your quiz. And for those times when you want to use the traditional LearnDash quiz builder, simply set the category counters to 0. With multi-question categories, you're not just organizing your content, you're creating smarter, more flexible assessments that save you time and enhance the learning experience. The LearnDash Pay for Quiz Certificate add-on gives you powerful tools to create new revenue streams from your educational content. After installation, you'll find a new Pay for Quiz Certificate menu under LearnDash LMS. From here, you can control everything about how you sell your content. The add-on is incredibly flexible with your payment options. Use either LearnDash PayPal or connect it with WooCommerce to access multiple payment gateways. Here's where it gets interesting. You can sell 3 different types of content: individual quizzes, quiz certificates, and course certificates. For quizzes, you can even offer free attempts before requiring payment. This try before you buy approach lets students experience your content quality before making a purchase. Setting up paid content is straightforward. In the Quiz Settings tab, simply select your courses, choose specific quizzes, and set their prices. For certificates, the process is just as simple. Select the courses and certificates you want to sell and set their prices. Once you enable payments for quizzes or certificates, the system automatically creates WooCommerce products for them. This means they can be sold alongside your other course offerings, creating a seamless shopping experience for your students. Students who purchase quiz access can retake the quiz multiple times with a single payment, while certificate purchases give them unlimited downloads once they've completed the course requirements. You can even bundle course and certificate purchases together, giving students extra incentive to complete their studies. All transactions are tracked either through WooCommerce's order system or in the Plugins Payment tab, giving you clear insight into your sales. With this add-on, you're not just creating educational content, you're building a sustainable revenue model for your expertise. Now that we've covered all these powerful features, let's talk about some best practices to help you create the most effective quizzes possible for your students. Mix different question types to test various levels of understanding. Use multiple choice for basic knowledge, essay questions for deeper analysis, and our new question types like audio recording for language skills or calculation questions for mathematical thinking. Organization is key to managing your growing question bank effectively. This is where our multi-question categories add-on really shines. Create categories based on topics, difficulty levels, or learning objectives. You might have categories like beginner concepts, advanced applications, and critical thinking. This organization makes it easier to create balanced assessments and track student performance across different areas. When it comes to implementing advanced features, remember that gradual integration is often the best approach. Start with core functionalities that your students are familiar with, then introduce more sophisticated features as your course progresses. For instance, you might begin with standard multiple choice questions before introducing interactive elements like our swipe questions or drag and fill exercises. Security is another crucial aspect of online assessment. LearnDash provides several features to help maintain academic integrity. Consider using our time limits feature, question randomization, and even our new advanced quiz features like individual question timing. These tools, combined with proper settings for IP locking and browser protection, help ensure your assessments remain secure and fair. With these best practices and all the powerful features and plugins we've covered today, you're well equipped to create engaging, effective, and professional quizzes that will truly benefit your students' learning journey. Whether you're using LearnDash's core features or taking advantage of our advanced add-ons, you can create sophisticated assessments that both challenge and support your students.